If you ever had the argument that size matters, this right here would debunk it. Before I turn this on, let me just show you. It comes with all these attachments right here. This one's good for getting in between the seats. A nice carry bag to keep it all in. It's charged by a Type-C, and it's easy to empty it. Not to mention it splits in half, so you can clean the top of it easier. Alright, now how good does it actually work? It has 2 modes on it, regular and boost mode. Let me just show you on this rug. I'll clean this area real quickly. You can go at it kind of fast with the dirty area like this, and you can see it actually does clean it up pretty quickly. I've been seeing people talk about these all over my For You page about opening up detailing business because they have this now. Not to mention these also make great gifts if you know somebody who really likes cars. If you guys want to get this whole kit, I'll leave a link right down below in this orange shopping cart. You guys can check it out and apply some coupons.